सिटीचें काम सोंपून सोंपना. डेडलायनीचेर डेडलायनी वाडत आसात. आमी 30 मे मेरेनची डेडलायन दिल्या. तांच्या कामाचो आतां वाज आयला म्हूण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात उलयलो.
Everybody is subsidized. Everyone has eyes now. But see, I was late for this meeting also. I was with those smart city people today also now. A lot of people have issues with their finishing work. So I told them at least March, April now. Sometime in May, the 1st of May, I have told them that we will take one round of the full city. We will check and see if any single paver has been is not been kept properly, or if the edges are broken or drains are broken. We have given them deadline at least till the 15th or 30th May to rectify everything. We also now are fed up of all of their work. They should be out of the city now. Even 18 June Road also, according to them, they are not doing 18 June Road also now. So we have to check and see what issues will happen in the monsoon, because that drain connectivity has not been done. So we want to write.
But why they are not doing 18 June Road?
I don't know exactly. That MD will give you a proper answer. I think time must be their issue.
It's not coming in smart city.
No, they have de-scoped that thing. No. Or they're planning on de-scoping it or whatever. So I've heard, so they have not gotten instructions to do that work yet. Because if they start 18 June, it will take a minimum of 1 month, 1.5 months or 2 months. It is a very long stretch. You're talking about from Pharmacy College till this thing, till our building over here. That is a
Every
very...
time there is a waterlogging issue.
No, but that is our concern also now, no? See, a lot of those drains also were diverted, I think, onto 18 June Road, which is why it's flooding so much. Now, the main point of the smart city was to do the 18 June Road, so at least that whole connectivity would be made. Now, that is not being done also. So, we have to check and see now which other department can get the work done if they are not doing it. So, these are questions you should ask the MD also now. At the same time, we want them gone, but at the same time, we want the work to be done also. Now, what is the point of doing it otherwise?
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.